defensive. Shake him off your back. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Good. Nice. Good position. Good position. Watch your arm. Push your kimura. Push your kimura. Good. Over the head. Over the head. Keep going. Keep going. 2 minutes, boys. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Good. Come on. Right. Make your mind blood fight. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, in good position. Now you stay on top. Yeah, you tell it. You tell it. Let's go. Good, good. You're in a good position. Side control, baby. Good. Come on, right here. Let's go. Push him away, right here. Good. Frame in, frame in, frame in. Top hand in front of your face. Good. Now push him up. Go. And start. Go back to your knees. Good. Push him away. Push him away. Go back to your knees. Nice. Good. Good control. Good. Good. Back to your knees. Back to your knees. It's better than you expose the back to get to your knees. Good. 110. Let's go. Find the finish, guys. Come on. Hey, hit it now. Let's go. Hit it now. Hit it now. Triangle is there. Let's go. Good, good. Switch to the opposite side, guys. Stay there. Yes, sir. Now flat. Go flat. Go flat. Hits on the ground. Hits on the ground. Hits on the ground. Hits on the ground, baby. No. Hey. Okay, good place. So good. Okay, you can pause. I got out to finish. Good. 2 hands finish. Hey, beautiful. Good. 40 seconds, boys. Let's go. Survive, survive. Get the takedown. Snap down. Snap your head down. Let's go. Yes, sir. Nice. Very much head. Very much head. Good. Good side control. Stay in control, bro. Stay in control. Don't spend your money, bro. Good. Protect your arm. Protect your neck. Let's go. There we go. Nice head. Nice head. Good. Let's go. Finish up. Finish. Finish. Pause his head. Pause his head. Pause his head. Lihat ya. Don't tell me that. Let's go. Bisa jadi. Let's go. Switch kanan. Switch kanan. Langsung.